Hello my friends, in today's episode on Grainificent, I will be showing you how to use the Zorki I film camera. The Zorki II and III will be basically identical, so without further ado, let's get to it. So with the Zorki I, on the bottom you got the lever to open up the bottom doors, but that loading it is in a different video, so you can watch that. It will be linked in the description. And so from the top here, this window is the rangefinder window where you catch your focus, and this window is the composing window where you take the photo. It's two different windows, but at least you can catch focus with this. On this left hand side here, when you pull this up and spin it just like the arrow tells you to, clockwise, you wind the film back into the cartridge. Of course, in order to release the film, you have to press this in and turn clockwise so it's turned in. You can't release the shutter at this moment, and you can't even wind the shutter at this moment. You have to turn this back counterclockwise. As you see, it goes up. Now you can wind your shutter back up and take a photo. And it has a cold shoe. It doesn't have any flash connections on the cold shoe here. And here you got your shutter speed mechanism. Of course, in Zorki's, it is never good to change your shutter speed before winding the shutter. First, you wind the shutter by turning this knob clockwise. Then you can adjust your shutter speed to different speeds. And if you have a model with the slower speeds on the bottom here, of course, first winding, you set the top lever to 1/25th of a second. After setting this to 1/25th of a second, you can then change the speeds on the bottom there to take the photo. So on the front, you got your flash sync port over here, and you got your collapsible lens over here as well. You can hide and take back out, just like that. And you press in the button to release so you can focus, because it locks focus on infinity, just like that. With this locked, you could twist the lens because they are a screw mount to take the lens off just like this. And to put them back on, you just screw them back on. Of course, being careful not to cross the thread and not to screw them on too tightly, so you can take them off in the future again. And of course, this is the rangefinder windows, these two over here, and this is the composing window over here. So that, my friends, was how you use the Zorki I film camera. If you enjoyed this video, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. It tells me that I create helpful content. So thank you for watching, see you in the next video, and take care, my friends.